useless mag-foul ang Alaska because they have 3 fouls to give before they get into the penalty. Yan ang isa.
They just gave one, Dr. J. At ito ang jubilation ng kupunan ng Gordons. Unti-unti nilang nararamdaman.
Nung pumasa, wala na si Holland. Papasok na.
Miscalculation.
Well, he doesn't have eyes in the back, no? Pero kumakata si Holland. Kala ni Holland siguro na ito na. Sasaksak na siya. Di kailangan rumibaw na ko.
There is Aldana wreaking havoc dito sa team na ito. And another foul given up ng kupunan ng Alaska. Si Hawkins, that's the 4th. One more before they land in penalty. Winyo papalitan. At pinaalala namin sa Martes, simula ng alas 7. Game number 4. Kung makakalamang ang Gordons, makakailangan pa sila ng isang laban. And that's on Tuesday, alas 7 ng gabi. At hatid sa inyo ng Vintage Sports ang finals ng Commissioner's Cup. Now, Alaska is in the penalty with 17.1 seconds left in the ball game. Story sa timeout. Sa Gordons may 3. Ang Alaska meron na lamang isang full timeout. 87-86 is the score. Tim Doan, a beleaguered man at this point. They foul Vince Season.
They have to foul to stop the clock, but and Jaworski has sent all of his good shooting free throw shooters on the floor except for Marlo Aquino. Malayo si Marlo. Hindi gusto tumanggap na bola ni Marlo.
So far, Vince Season has yet to miss a free throw shot in this ball game sa championship series. Si Vince Season is 77%. And big free throws coming his way with 16.1 seconds left in the ball game. All important free throw shots para kay Vince Season.
Yung focus niya importante rito.
He strokes the first and he misses, Dr. J.
And that's where the pressure comes in. This is where they've always questioned Vince Season. He's had a good series, but again here, could he be choking? Alam mo, pinili talaga ni Gayoso yun. Ayaw niyang pasahan si King. King was open, Harencio was there, pero he waited for Hison to come to him.
Hison for his second free throw.
Violation yan! Violation si Gayoso, and that's gonna nullify the free throw shot, correct?
Ang laking bagay nun, Dr. J. That shot could have counted, but Gayoso came in just before the ball was released. At meron full timeout ang Alaska. They're just down by a point, 87-86.
That was it.
Dr. J, I think we've seen it all dito sa ball game na to. JV Gayoso,
he entered the lane too soon. I don't know why. Maybe wala siyang tiwala kay Vince Season after Hison missed the first free throw. And so he was called for the violation by entering the lane too soon. He nullified the free throw shot that was made by Vince Season.
At alam mo, nakikita natin from this side, Dr. J, dahil malapit tayo sa dugout natin sa bench ng Gordons, ang galit ni Sonny Jaworski.
Dapat naman siya magalit because everything is on your side. Hison choked under the first free throw, but he made the second. Akaso, inalis lang kakampi niya dahil nagka-violation.
Eto, kumapit kayo mga kaibigan. Abarientos hawak ang bola. Abarientos makakalusot. Bukas si Lago. From the corner, Lago, sobrang tira!
And no more time! No more time!
Naubos ang oras. Gordon takes a commanding 3-0 lead sa seryeng ito, Dr. J. At nagkakagulo po dito sa loob ng kuneta. Lahat nakatayo as Gordon takes a commanding 3-0 advantage in this best of 7 series. Si Sonny Jaworski nilapitan ni Tim Doan, and Sonny Jaworski pinipilit natin hatakin. Magpakapatong-patong ang mga players.
Hindi pa tapos ito. Sa championship pa lang ginagawa yun.
Pero nararamdaman nila ata, Dr. J, na meron na silang naamoy na championship. Nagyayakapan sila. Baka nakakalimutan nila. There's still one more game to go. And Sonny Jaworski, pinagkakaguluhan ng mga tao dito. Pababayaan nating i-release nila ang kaguluhan na natatamo dito. Si Sonny Jaworski being led out sa dami na nagkakagulo sa kanya. Final score, 87-86. Magbabalik po kami.
At nandito na po tayo sa Cuneta Astrodome pagkatapos lamang ng Game 3. Gordon's winning 87-86 over Alaska, and one of the best players of the game ay itong si Pido Harencio. Pido, you made 7 out of 8 3-point shots ngayong gabi. Mukhang sineryoso mo yung hamon ni Coach Sunny na, yung 8 ko ginawa ko finals. Ikaw, finals din ito.
Hindi, yung rhythm ko nakuha ko eh. Maganda lang ang bato, kaya tira lang ako ng tira.
Medyo masama yung umpisa nyo dahil kayo ba naapektuhan nang nalaman nyo dito sa dugout na si Chris King hindi maglalaro?
Medyo nung umpisa dahil malaking bagay sa amin si Chris eh. Dahil si Chris din nagdala sa atin dito sa championship. At saka, siyempre yung kabilang team, nagdo-double sila eh. Eh kami, paano kami malilibre kung hindi do-double ta kanila?
Every time nagte-threaten mag-pull away itong Alaska, ikaw ay pumapasok with a big basket. Is this, pinapakita mo lang ba na ikaw yung veterano dito sa Gordons at ikaw dapat ang mamayanig sa iyong mga kakampi?
Bali, ginagawa ko lang ang role ko para sa team. Yun.
Okay, congratulations Pido. 3-0 na ito. Matagal ka na hindi nagsa-champion. Although 4 wins ang kailangan, naaamoy mo na ba?
Oo, sana itong Tuesday makuha na namin. Babati lang ako.
Okay.
Unang-una, maraming gabi sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Binabati ko si Fe, si Jaren, si Gia, si Jico, si Janelle. Tapos sa Daddy Ben, si Daddy, mga Pizarro family, tsaka Manuel family sa Bataan, sa Pilar, Bataan. Tapos yung mga kamag-anak ko sa Iloilo, sa Capiz. Tapos si Nonoy, si Parin Pit, tapos si ano mga ba to? Mga Ascarate sa San Pablo. At saka kay Coach Badjon, nandito na tayo Coach, sana makuha na natin to.
Okay, ito si Pido Harencio, hindi lang magaling magmemorya ng play, magaling din magmemorya ng mga babatiin niya. Sige, congratulations at tayo magbabalik pa ulit dito sa Cuneta Astrodome.
You see an import that's injured, making some baskets when his team needed it. Pido Harencio coming up with some big Johnny Abarientos on the other side. Holland picking his game up. Pambihira yun eh. No? Sometimes you begin to wonder, is Gordon's destined to be the champion? Sa San Miguel, sabihin mo, talo na yun eh. Diba? 5 points, 40 seconds to go against a team that knows how to control the game. You know, they're very, very lucky, but because they're been playing very well as a team and their defense is holding up.
Ibang klase mga kaibigan at ibibigay po natin ng award. Itong isang to eh talagang may pagmamalaki namin ibigay. Terry Saldana played what probably could be the best game of his masabi natin na patapos na career.
Yeah, we had 2 bad players of the game. Actually, that's Pido Harencio for all his all-night brilliance. And then Terry Saldana, I think, came up with one of his biggest games. Hindi na lang yung 12 rebounds, may puntos pa siya, maganda ang depensa niya. All those things made Terry Saldana one of the other best players of the game.
Ang ating hardest executing board team of the board. At may walang iba kung hindi si Kevin Holland.
But Holland came in today with 14 rebounds, 8 and 6. Came up soon with some crucial points. Pero, you know, when the team needed to come back, he also tried to help. Pero, you know, wala lang silang swerte in the end game. And good defense again by the Gordon's team.
Dr. J, sweep ba ang makikita natin dito?
Well, it's hard to say, you know, but nasa Alaska na yan eh. Because I'm sure Gordon's is going to go out for it. I mean, nandyan ang momentum nila. They see everything going. King may be a little bit better by Tuesday. And if he's a little bit better, they're in a lot of trouble. Nasa Alaska na yun. If they wanna pull together, have some pride, pull together, did exactly what Gordon's did to them last year. In 3-0 ng Alaska, nakasagot ng isa yung Gordon's bago tinapos na ng Alaska.
Okay, on that note, sabi mo ni Dr. J, naririnig yung boses ko ay nagpapaalam at pinapaalala namin sa inyo, ang laro po ay ganap ng alas 7. Ang jump ball ay 7:30 sa darating pong Martes. Pinaalala namin sa inyo na sa Martes, sa mula ng alas 7, magsisimula ang ating coverage dito ng Vintage Sports magpapatuloy ng Finals of Commissioner's Cup. Para sa lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho para sa Vintage Sports, dito po si Chino Trinidad nagpapaalam. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat at patuloy po ninyo ang panonood ng PBA.